Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can cut bloody knife on Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have joined Dress to Impress as you can see, and then first of all I'm going to grab a knife. We can go to this area and we're going to pick the knife here. Wait, I'm going to tap on the knife and then I'm going to change the toggle. I'm going to click on this toggle and I'm going to make it high. Okay, and now it's time to put blood on this knife. If you want to make the knife bloody, you can apply pattern. Wait, I'm going to go to the second preview and go to the pattern, and then I recommend you to choose wait, I'm going to search for it. I recommend you to choose this one to add bloody effect to the knife. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get bloody knife on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.